Hello, and welcome to the Builder's License Training Institute block of instruction on soffit repair. Today we're going to repair a soffit that was damaged by a pest control professional when they were removing, believe it or not, a beehive that was up in an attic next to multiple hives, and they made quite a mess. We're going to put it back together. This is my assistant Scott Corbett. I'm Roger Peck. Let's climb a ladder. Okay, and we're not going to worry too much about the bent fascia and soffit and components right now. We're just going to put it back together to keep the weather out. Soffit components. What we have is this is an older home, 1950s construction, with a wood soffit that was covered with an aluminum material, aluminum vented soffit, wood fascia that had been covered probably in the 70s or 80s with an aluminum fascia. Some of the other components that we're going to be dealing with here, this is called an F channel.
F channel has a nailing flange, whether it's steel, vinyl, or aluminum. The cross sections you're looking at here, understand that the leg that's downward in this picture is the nail flange. The upper portion of this particular component holds the soffit. It can hold soffit, it can hold another trim, it can hold a siding component. Basically it supports that component and allows it to move independently of the trim due to variations in weather, whether it's temperature, moisture, and so on.
One thing you want to make sure when you're putting this back together is that the soffit doesn't actually come outside of the plane, the vertical plane that's created by the face of the old fascia. Because what it'll do, if you allow the soffit edge, if I can just pull this out here, if you allow this edge of the end of the soffit to come out past this face plane, it doesn't allow the fascia to come in all the way flat. Yeah, that staple held that in there beautifully. Normally, people that are working with steel and aluminum, they'll take these corners from this edge that would slide into the groove on this end, and they nip them out of the way. Okay, we reposition the ladder and we'll put a piece of fascia around there.
This product is aluminum fascia. Fascia can be wood, aluminum, steel, or vinyl. Fascia covers and in this case supports the cut end of the soffit and slides behind the drip edge to create a waterproof covering of the entire subfascia and soffit area.
So Scott's going to nail it. Remember to nail it in a location that won't crush the fascia of the soffit. Let's go ahead and just try to line up some of the old nail holes.
Right here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
in the next big windstorm they won't just fall off. All right, thanks for participating. This video lesson has been brought to you by the Builders License Training Institute. We offer a full line of online construction education. We also have many approved classes to fulfill your state's requirements. Check us out at licensetobuild.com or give us a call at 1-800-727-7104.